Very warm welcome to all, and this is series number 15, specifically based on two authors, Dryden and Pope. So सेम कंडीशंस रहेंगे. आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने आंसर्स लिखने हैं और आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपके आंसर की मिल जाएगा. So we have question number 1. Where ignorance is bliss, it's folly to be wise. Who wrote the above lines? Options are Pope, Gray, Collins or Southey. Please mark your answer in comment section. Next question. Which of the following works is not actually a prose essay? Options are essay of dramatic poesy, essay on man, an essay concerning human understanding, or an essay towards a new theory of vision. Next question is Pope's essay on man can best be read as a poem of. Options are classical understanding of nature, anti-romantic view of life, sociological estimate of man, or philosophical apprehension of life. Next question. The lines, not that he wished is greatness to create. For politicians, neither love nor hate occurs in The Rape of the Lock. I'm sorry to say this, but यहाँ पे द के स्पेलिंग गलत हो गए हैं. Anyhow, I hope you people will not mind that. Next option is Absalom and Achitophel. Option C is McFlecknoe and option D is Essay on Man. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना ऑप्शन डाल दीजिए जो आपको सही लगता है एंड मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल रॉयल पोइट लॉरिएट इन इंग्लिश लिटरेरी हिस्ट्री वॉज. आपको बताना है ऑफिशियल रॉयल पोइट लॉरिएट ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेरी हिस्ट्री. सो ऑप्शंस आर बेन जॉनसन, जॉन ड्राइडन, विलियम डेवेनेंट एंड थॉमस शेडवेल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु डज Alexander Pope referred to in the following lines? Born to no pride, inheriting no strife, nor marrying discord in a noble wife, stranger to civil and religious rage, the good man walked innoxious through his age. So we have four options: Pope's father, Pope himself, Dr. Arbuthnot और द ड्यूक ऑफ मार्लबोरो. लाइन को एक बार ध्यान से पढ़ लीजिए एंड अपना आंसर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल दीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द लाइन्स इवन आई अ डंस ऑफ मोर renown than they was sent before but to prepare thy way are quoted from. Options are Pope's Dunciad, Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel, Dryden's McFlecknoe, or Jonathan Swift's Tale of a Tub. Next question. Restoration comedy marks the restoration of option A, women's rights, democracy, monarchy और human rights. जल्दी से आप अपना आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में डालिए एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए मूव कीजिए. Which of Alexander Pope's poems begins with the line, "Shut, shut the door, good John, fatigued I said"? And the options are Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot, Dunciad, Epistles or Rape of the Lock. आंसर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए मूव कर सकते हैं फिर. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द सब टाइटल ऑफ ड्राइडन्स एब्सलॉम एंड अकीटोफेल इज. ऑप्शन ए देयर वाज नो सब टाइटल, ऑप्शन बी अ सटायर, ऑप्शन सी ए सटायर ऑन द ट्रू ब्लू प्रोटेस्टेंट पोइट्स, ऑप्शन डी अ पोम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सैमुअल बटलर्स हुडिब्रास इज मॉडल्ड अपॉन. Option A, Annus Mirabilis, Endymion, Don Quixote and Pilgrim's Progress. Next question is Identify the critic who described the restoration comedy as artificial. आपको बताना है कि कौन से ऐसे क्रिटिक थे जिन्होंने रेस्टोरेशन कॉमेडी को आर्टिफिशियल बताया. ऑप्शंस आर ड्राइटन, चार्ल्स लैम्ब, मैथ्यू आर्नल्ड और डॉक्टर जॉनसन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following statement is true about a mock epic? So, options are a mock epic mocks at an epic. Option B, in a mock epic, trivial incidents are invested with dignified language in a kind of burlesque of the epic manner. Option C, in a mock epic, characters are superhuman beings. And option D, none of them. आप एक बार स्टेटमेंट्स अपने आप भी पढ़ सकते हैं. You can take breath and read the statements again. Yeah, you can mark your answer in the comment section and move forward. Next question is, regarding Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel, which of the following statement is true? Through a story taken from the Bible, Dryden preaches the importance of religion. Option B is Dryden mocks at God. So I have only two options over here. You please mark the answer if you feel that any of the two option is right. Otherwise, you can mark none of these. Next question is, Mac Flecknoe is a or an mock heroic poem, a ballad, a narrative poem, or an epic? Next question. Each line of a heroic couplet is option A, an iambic pentameter, option B, a trochai pentameter, option C, an iambic tetrameter, option D, an anapestic pentameter. Next question is, which of the following statements may be wrong? Option A, with the end of the Puritan rule of Oliver Cromwell, English society became a model of morality. Option B, Oliver Cromwell had been too severe. He had suppressed too many natural impulses. Option C, with the restoration of Charles II to the English throne, there was a violent reaction against Puritanism. Next, option D, all the statements are true. So again, when you have such lengthy statements, read them properly and answer the question. Next question is, in Absalom and Achitophel, the character of Absalom refers to. Options are Shaftesbury, Monmouth, Richard Flecknoe or Charles II. Next question. Essay of dramatic poesy is written by. Options are William Congreve, Dryden, Shakespeare or Alexander Pope. Next question. In Dryden's Mac Flecknoe, Mac means. Option A, father of. Option B, son of. Option C, teacher of. Option D, none of them. Next question. The Restoration period in the history of English literature refers to the restoration of, brought into being with the accession of King Charles II to the throne of England in 1660. So options are democracy, monarchy, plutocracy or Puritanism. I repeat the question. The Restoration period in the history of English literature refers to the restoration of, आपको blank space दे रखा है, brought into being with the accession of King Charles to the throne of England in 1660. So आपको off के बाद एक fill blank है that you have to fill with any of the option. Next question. Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel alludes to the biblical story of option A, David and Goliath, option B, the book of Job, option C, the Ecclesiastes, option D, the historical quarrel between David king of Israel, and his son Absalom. Next question. It's a bit blur. I'm really sorry. Maybe there is some editing error. And that is, question is, which of the following has not been authored by Dryden? So options are Hudibras, Religio Lacey, The Hind and the Panther, or The Medal. Next question. Next question is, in Absalom and Achitophel, the character of Achitophel refers to option A, Shaftesbury, option B, Monmouth, option C, Charles II, and option D, James. Next question. The Restoration tragedy is also known as option A, classical tragedy, or romantic tragedy, tragicomedy, or heroic tragedy, or the love and honor drama. Next question. Dryden's All for Love is an adaptation of. This question is very much favorite of almost all the examiners who set papers for basically TGT, PGT, or NET, or any SLET. So the options are Philaster, option B, Romeo and Juliet, option C, Antony and Cleopatra, and option D, Edward II. Moving on to the next question. Who called Milton God-gifted organ voice of England and the mighty mouth inventor of harmonies? आपके पास 4 ऑप्शन हैं, ड्राइडन, कार्लाइल, लॉर्ड टेनिसन और मैथ्यू आर्नल्ड. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना आंसर डाल दीजिए एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए मूव कीजिए. जोनाथन स्विफ्ट warned Alexander Pope, take care that the bad poets do not outwit you, on his writing of option A, essay on criticism, essay on man, the Dunciad, और the rape of the log. आपको बताना है एलेक्जेंडर पोप का कौन सा वर्क ऐसा था जिसे लिखने के बाद स्विफ्ट ने उन्हें वार्न किया था दैट यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल दैट बैड पोइट्स डू नॉट आउटविट हिम. सो ऑप्शन आप देख लीजिए, कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना आंसर लिखिए एंड मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. मैक फ्लेक्नो is a personal satire. It is dedicated against a fellow poet of his time. So, whose time that you have to decide? मैक फ्लेक्नो किसने लिखा था? And options are Thomas Shadwell, Alexander Pope, Shaftesbury और डॉक्टर जॉनसन. मैं आपको बता दूं, मैक फ्लेक्नो ड्राइडन ने लिखा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who may be regarded as representative of Dryden himself in his essay of dramatic poesy? And आपके पास ऑप्शन है Neander, Eugenius, Critus और none of the above. Next question is, an important element in Dryden's satire is his dexterity in handling the option A, blank verse, option B, sonnet form, option C, heroic couplet, option D, none of the above. आप अपना आंसर मार्क कीजिए एंड मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Dunciad was written by option A, Dryden, Pope, Tennyson or Shelley. Next question. Who among the following said about Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales that here indeed is God's plenty? सो मैं क्वेश्चन एक बार रिपीट कर दूं. चौसस के प्रोलॉग टू द कैंटरबरी टेल्स के बारे में कौन से फॉलोइंग ऑथर में से एक ने ये कहा था, हेयर इंडीड इज गॉड्स प्लेंटी? आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मार्क कीजिए आंसर एंड मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Pope's portrait of Addison as Atticus appears in which of the following? Options are the Dunciad, option B, Epistle to Arbuthnot, option C, The Rape of the Lock, and option D, An Essay on Man. ए ऑप्शन में डनशियड की स्पेलिंग नोट कीजिएगा प्लीज. इट इज IAD, नॉट IAL. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एक्सपैंडेड वर्जन ऑफ द रेप ऑफ द लॉक अपीयर्ड इन 1712, 1713, 1714 or 1715. Next question. This casket, India's glowing gems, unlocks, and all Arabia breathes from yonder box. These lines appear in which of the following poems? Option A, Macflackno. Option B, The Rape of the Lock. Option C, The Dunciad. And option D, The Medal. Moving on to the next question. A mock heroic poem uses heroic style to mock. Option A, heroic poem. Option B, heroic theme. Option C. Sorry guys, there was disturbance while I was working on this project, so I am repeating the question again. A mock heroic poem uses heroic style to mock. Option A, heroic poem, heroic theme, unheroic theme, or heroic values. Next question. Pope's An Essay on Man discusses option A. Option A, man's place in the universe. Option B, man's mortality. Option C, human relations. And option D, history of man. I repeat the question. Pope's An Essay on Man discusses. Basically, it is about what? So that you have to tell. Next question. Question is, The Hind and the Panther by Dryden is option A, a prose fiction. Option B, an allegorical poem. Option C, a medieval tale. And option D, a pastoral romance. आई होप आपने आंसर अपना मार्क कर दिया होगा कमेंट सेक्शन में. सो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. Flecknoe of Dryden's Macflecknoe is father of whom? Shaftesbury, Absalom, Achitophel, or Shadwell? Next question. Which of the following is discussed at length in Dryden's essay? Option A, Hamlet. Option B, The Silent Woman. Option C, The Alchemist. Or option D, Volpone. Next question. Dryden's Essay of Dramatic Poesy 1668 is written in option A, poetic form. Option B, dramatic form. Option C, narrative form. Or option D, conversational form. Next question. Of the four characters in Dryden's essay, who represents Dryden? Guys, this question has been repeated, but there's no issue. I will keep it in the slide. So it is, options are again Neander, Crates, Lycidius, or Eugenius. Next question. Question is, Absalom and Achitophel uses for allegorical purposes. Option A, a Bible story. Option B, a classical myth. Option C, an oriental tale. And option D, a medieval fable. Next question is question number 46. Great wits are sure to madness, near allied, appears in which of the following poems? Option A, Macflecknoe. Option B, The Dunciad. Option C, Absalom and Achitophel. And option D, The Rape of the Lock. आप अपना आंसर मार्क कीजिए एंड फिर हम आगे चलते हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following plays of Dryden is in blank verse? आपके पास ऑप्शन है इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो इट इज Don Sebastian, Love Triumphant, All for Love, or The Indian Queen. Next question is, who among the following is not a restoration dramatist? And the options are Dryden, Congreve, Wycherley, or Ben Jonson. Mark your answer and move on to the next question. It is, which of the following deals with the popish plot? So first you should know what a popish plot is. Options are, for the question, Religiolacy, Essay on Dramatic Poesy, Absalom and Achitophel, or The Hind and the Panther. Next question. The Dryden's School of Poetry is also known as, option A, the Transitional School of Poetry, option B, the Moral School of Poetry, option C, the Correct School of Poetry, and option D, the Resurrection School of Poetry. So rapidly, let's move on to the next question, and it is, what is anticlimax? Anticlimax क्या होता है? Option A, gradual or sudden disappearance or a reversal of expectations. Option B, another name of climax. Option C, it is a figure of speech. Option D, none of the above. Next question. What is bathos? So, bathos, it is a option, sorry, there are options. It is a figure of speech in which there is a sudden collapse of high expectancy. Option B, used to produce tragic effect. Option C, another name for pathos. Option D, opposite of pathos. Next question is, what is the rhyming pattern of Essay on Man? So options are ABCA, ABBA, AB, or AA. Next question. What is an eclogue? So we four options. A poem expressing lament or sorrow. Option B, a short pastoral poem in which shepherds conversion with one another. So it is, I'm sorry to say, it is a short pastoral poem in which shepherds converse with one another. Option C, a short lyric describing an incident of deep sorrow like death. Option D, none of the above. Next question. Next question is, which age in English literature is called the age of Pope? दिस टाइम आई हैव जस्ट 3 ऑप्शन. अगर आपको लगता है इन तीनों में से कोई भी ऑप्शन अप्लाई नहीं करता है तो आप नन ऑफ दीज का आंसर मार्क कर सकते हैं. सो ऑप्शन ए, अर्लियर पार्ट ऑफ द 18th century. ऑप्शन बी, लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द 18th century. ऑप्शन सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पीरियड ऑफ द एज ऑफ पोप इज, आपके पास 3 ऑप्शन है. फिर से अगर आपको लगता है इनमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन अप्लाई नहीं करता है तो आप नन ऑफ दीज का ऑप्शन डाल सकते हैं. एंड द 3 ऑप्शंस आर 1700 to 1740, 1700 to 1744 एंड 1700 to 1742. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना आंसर डालिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पोइट्स ऑफ विच पीरियड आर डेफिशिएंट on the side of emotion and imagination? Option A, age of Dryden. Option B, age of Pope. Option C, age of Dr. Johnson. So this is question number 57th, and next question is, what are the characteristics of the poetry of the age of Pope? Option A, didactic and satirical. Option B, poetry of arguments and criticism of politics and personalities. Option C, both A and B. अगेन इफ़ यू फील लाइक कि इनमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन जो है आपको अप्लाई नहीं करता है, सुटेबल नहीं है, तो आप नन ऑफ दीज का ऑप्शन डाल सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ इट फॉर द सीरीज़. आपके लिए आंसर मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में पोस्ट कर रही हूँ. आई होप the series is going to help you a lot. So let's meet in the next series. Till then, bye.